Keshwani
about the
Fatima
doubt?
says I
Now
got.
being recorded.
Okay. So, girls, today we'll do the dua. First, Kulsum will say the dua, and I'll present the thought afterwards. Okay. So, while Kulsum is saying the dua, I will present the thought. And Miza, who is Miza? Who is Miza?
Yes, ma'am.
You will read the thought. Okay. You will read the thought. So, Kulsum, please start the dua.
Okay, ma'am. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Malika Yawmiddin.
No one's
Iyyaka na'budu
here.
wa iyyaka nasta'in.
Parachiya.
اهدنا الصراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Okay. Thank you, beta. Now, Miza. Who
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Miss? Read the thought. And yes,
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
meantime, one second. In the meantime, one second. In the meantime, I want Insia Fatima. You are there, beta. Insia.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can
Time
you
is money.
one
One must walk
one
with
one
time
second.
and not
One second.
against it.
Beta, Isa, one second. Insia,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
can you send me the PDF of page 85, word formation, first lesson, vocabulary. Can
Okay,
you do
ma'am.
it now? Can you do it now?
Can I send you?
You
Okay,
got
ma'am.
it ready?
Take one, Fatima.
Yes, if you have got it, be fast and send it to me. In the meantime, Misa, read the thought.
Ma'am, read.
What do we have to send to you?
Oh my God. See, why you, that's why when you are not clear, then don't send me side. No. You have to give me the lesson word formation, that is in vocabulary, page 85. The whole lesson I want better, fast. Will you be able to do it?
Yes, I'm sending you just now
Okay,
only.
okay. So yes, Misa now,
Ma'am, English lesson one.
Misa now read the thought.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Time is money. One must work with time and not against it.
Not against, it is against it. What is it? Against it. Okay. So one must work with time. Yeah. That means we should not keep on pending our work that I will do tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. If you have the time today, you have to complete today itself, whatever work is given to you. So you have to work with time. Okay. And you cannot postpone your things. And then what will happen if you go against time? That is, if you don't keep to the timings of your day to day routine, what will happen? A lot of work will pile up, and you will have to. No, at the end, you will face a lot of problems with lots of work to be done in one single day. Suppose I have told you to submit your book on Saturday, and you all don't. Oh, we have enough time. We have enough time. If you say like that, and then you don't do till Saturday, and then last moment when I ask for it, you say, "Ma'am, I'll send it to you in 1 hour." And then what happens? You have 3 or 4 lessons together and complete and send it to me. Then what happens? You find it a lot of difficulty. Then you say, "My hand is paining, ma'am, such a lot of work." But if you do your work daily, then what happens? You find it much easier. You'll feel lighter. You'll feel satisfied. So one must work with time, not against it. Okay. Now I'll just stop sharing, and then I'll share the screen which she sends to me. So who told me that she'll be sending me the screen, the photos? Fatima,
Hi,
you raised your
Keshwani
hand. Why?
Fatima Zahra.
You
Keshwani
told me.
Fatima Zahra.
Yes, beta. Why did you raise your hand? You have any doubt?
No.
No, beta. Okay. Okay. Others, please. Now see
Ma'am, can
word
you
formation. What, beta? Oh, no, one girl is already sending. No, who's the one who said I'm sending? Can you tell me
I
the name?
Keshwani Fatima Zahra, I had sent to you.
You've already sent me. Okay, let me
Yes.
check. What happened? It is slightly not clear, but thank you, Keshwani Modesa. Can you see all of you? All? Can you see the
I am
pictures?
Keshwani Fatima Zahra. My big sister's name is Muhaddisa.
Okay, okay. So Fatima Zaira, thank you for this. And we will start with word formation. All of you all listen carefully. Now listen to me. For the exams, we'll try to complete this lesson. If we don't complete, say, ma'am, it is not complete, not complete. Don't complain like that. Because whatever we've done, that only will be included. Okay? Understood all of you all? Okay. Now
Yes.
I'm going to read this because you all are not very fast in reading. So read these words. U and un plus cooked is equal to uncooked. Okay. And MIS miss. Sorry, I and in plus ability is inability. Miss plus understood is misunderstood. So when you add words in the beginning or in the end, you're forming a new word with a new meaning. Okay. For example, all of you know the meaning of cooked. Cooked means that is already prepared. Okay, it is boiled, it is cooked, it is seasoned, it is, put all the masalas, it is cooked. But if it is uncooked, what is the meaning? The meaning changes to that is raw. Okay, understood all of you the meaning? Yes or no? First, you have to tell me whether you've understood or not. Otherwise, I cannot proceed.
Yes,
So the
ma'am.
first, okay. So when I say I cook the rice, then it means that you've already completed cooking. But if you add in front, and now this is when you add un or in or miss and all that, that is called a prefix. What is it called? Prefix. What is it called? What is it
Defects.
called? Prefix. Yes. Prefix. Pre means before. Okay, and suffix means after. Prefix means before and suffix means after. What happened, beta? Beta, all of you all mute unless I ask, don't answer. Okay. So see, now the next word is ability. Ability means that you can do something, but inability the meaning changes. That means you don't have the ability to do anything. Okay. Now the third is misunderstood. Understood, suppose I ask you, children, did you all understand? Yes. But if I add miss, that misunderstood has a different meaning totally. What does it mean? That when two friends are talking and one tries to convey something, but the other girl doesn't understand. So she misunderstands. She doesn't understand what your friend is trying to say or try to convey. So that is misunderstanding. Okay. So suppose there is a fight between two. Then afterwards, when everything is cleared up, then you say, "Oh, I misunderstood what you were trying to tell me." Okay. So did you understand the three examples that I told you all, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So the
ma'am.
words, okay, the words an, in, miss are prefixes. What are they called? Prefixes. So
Prefix.
these letters which are added in front, these which are added in front of a word is called a prefix. Now we'll see the definition of a prefix. A prefix is a syllable added at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. Just as I told you that cooked means that is already prepared, but uncooked means it is not yet prepared. It is raw. Okay, so prefix is a syllable that is added at the beginning of a word to change the meaning. Okay, now for example, here are some more examples. Two plus night is to night. Okay, now here the meaning of night is day and night. Okay, but when you say tonight means the meaning slightly changes. Now, if you say, I'll give you the difference, uh, like, at night the stars shine in the sky. But if I say tonight, then you don't say tonight the stars shine in the sky. You say about something else, and tonight means I will come to your house tonight. That means tonight I'll be coming to your house. Okay, so the meaning completely changes. In the same way, this plus agree is equal to disagree. Now, agree means when you agree with somebody. Yes, what she's saying is correct. That is agree. But disagree means the meaning changes. Means I don't agree. Okay. Now shore and ashore. Now shore is shore. Shore is the seashore. The banks of the seashore. Do you understand the meaning of shore? Yes. But ashore means to you say that the ship went ashore the sea. That means it went on the sea. Okay. Now 4 plus noon. Now 4 means 4 and noon. So noon means afternoon. 4 means before. Okay. So 4 noon. Okay. So the meaning changes. Noon means afternoon. 4 noons means before afternoon. So all of you understood this because I'll be asking at each and every point you all understood or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So add suitable prefixes from the box to the words in the brackets and fill in the blanks. Now I don't know she's already done this. Whose book is this? Her sister's book. But anyway, I don't mind because I don't have a new book and I cannot show the ones without the answers. But anyway, the answers are already done here. I don't know it's come out properly or not. I don't know. The boy was. See, there are 5 sentences, but I think something is missing. Or what? A, B, C, D. I think girl, Keshwani,
Yes, ma'am.
Keshwani Modesa.
Yes.
I think this page is not taken properly.
Which page
Okay.
number? So I am sending to you.
Number 35 is not. Yes.
Send are not written answers.
What better? So the
Ma'am,
boy,
I send you PDF.
Ma'am, can written properly and send you? Keshwani
but
pattern.
no, but do you have the answers in that?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I
I
don't
want
have.
without the answers. I want
I
without
don't
the answers.
Ma'am, I have not written answers. Should I send Fatima Bahasat?
Yes, send without the answers, please. This page, this lesson fast, huh, better. We don't want to waste time.
Okay, ma'am.
So as soon as you do it, please let me know. So anyway, so in the meantime, you see in the box, A is given, An is given, D is given, 4 is given, Miss is given, and this is given. So the boy was, it'll be in the bracket. It is written loan. You
Excuse
know,
me, ma'am.
yes, beta.
I have signed you.
What's your name, beta?
Me, Saima.
Saima. Okay, I'll just check. Okay. So 1 second. Huh? Saima, you sent me the all the full lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry for the trouble, girls, but I
No
can't help it. Okay. Girls, I hope all of you are understanding what I'm saying because you should be very clear with the concept. Okay.
Ma'am, your screen is full black.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
it'll be.
yes.
It'll come. It'll come. I'm asking a question, by. In the meantime, I'm asking a question. I hope all of you all understand what I'm saying. Afterwards, you all shouldn't come up with any doubt. So when you have a doubt, you have to ask me then and there itself. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
now we go to the next one. That is fill in the blanks with so add suitable prefixes from the box to the words in the bracket and fill in the blanks. Now A is given, An is given, D is given, 4 is given, Miss and this is given. Okay, so in the bracket you can see the boy was dash lone in the house. So we have to add which prefix? Which prefix do we
A.
have to add? A to make it alone.
A.
Okay. Okay. The next one is the visitor said that he dashed tea and preferred coffee. So what will come before light?
This.
On.
This
Tag.
light.
Dislike.
No, dislike. Dislike means you don't like. So the visitor said that he disliked tea and preferred coffee. That means he didn't like tea, but he liked coffee. Okay. So you know what to add. You have to add this. Those who have not got the answers, please write them down so that I don't. And anyway, I don't send PDF of grammar to anybody. Okay. Only if they don't have the copy of it, then I have to send the plain without the answers. The next is the mother told the children, stay dash, otherwise we will miss the World Cup finals. Now there's
Awake.
wake in the
Awake.
awake. Very good.
Awake.
Wake. Yes, very good. See,
Awake.
now the eager villagers sat around the old lady who promised to dash their yes, beta.
थर्ड में क्या आएगा?
Okay. Awake. Sorry. Awake. 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 Stay awake, otherwise we will miss the World Cup. Okay. The next is the eager villagers sat around the old lady. We promised to dash their future. Now here foretell, FORE, foretell means beforehand. See, you all go to an astrologer. You must be seeing some programs of astrologers. Okay, and they will tell they will there are people who see the palm, they read the face, or they even see your birth date and tell that see this is going to happen in future. So they are telling you in advance. That is called foretell. What is it? Foretell. Foretell. Okay. So it is foretell. Now the next is the sprinter dashed the distance and lost the race.
Can I
Now,
give
what
one Keshwani Fatima?
Yes, better because it's already written in your book, better. The one who is not. Yes, better. What will come here? The sprinter judged the distance and lost the race. Now, what will be for judged? Yes, better. Very good. It will be misjudged. The sprinter misjudged the distance and lost the race. Now, the workers tried to
What is
dash the. Better.
What is answer?
Answer of the E1 is misjudged. MISJUDGED. Okay? Misjudged. The next one, the workers try to dash the tie. So untie. Untie means you have to. Yes, better? Untie. UNTIE tie. So the workers try to untie the tight knots. Okay, knot means what? Gaanth bante na. That is. So it was very tight, and the workers they untied it. They opened it. Okay, now the scientists dash of the plan, approved of the plan. So what is approved means? Yes, they agreed that this. Beta. Yes, beta. Please tell the answer. Disapproved. Disapproved, not disappeared. Disapproved. Approved means saying yes for something. For example, I'll give an example. Your teacher is giving you a project, and you do the project, and one girl's project is very nice. The teacher will say approve of it. Yes, this is a very good project, and this should be put up in the exhibition. But if the other girl does not do the project properly, then say the teacher disapproved. What? Disapproved. DISAPPROVED. Everybody is writing the answers?
Yes.
Okay. The scientists, this we did know, sorry, disapproved of the plan. Okay, the next is the student dash with the teacher in class. The teacher misbehaved.
Misbehave.
Very good. The student misbehaved with the teacher in class. The next is the passengers. Any doubt, girls? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you mute your mic. The passengers are about to dash the flight.
Ma'am, they board.
What better?
Deboard.
Deboard. Okay, deboard. But I have a doubt in this. I will check this out. But because it is given in the box, it has to be deboard. Okay, deboard. DEBOARD.
Yes, the
Deboard.
correct answer is D board only.
In my book also is
Okay.
written like that.
Okay, okay. Mother is always dash with me since I don't study. So mother is always, yes, your mother is satisfied when you don't study?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, so your mother is dissatisfied. Okay. So I will just repeat the answers so that those who have not written will write it now. See, the first one, A is the boy was alone in the house. B, the visitor said that he disliked.
I और ये क्या आएगा?
Beta, that's what, listen to me. Ab suno meri baat. I'm calling out each and every answer. So pay attention. The first one, A, the boy was alone in the house. B, the visitor said that he disliked tea and preferred coffee. The third one, C, the mother told her children, stay awake, 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 otherwise we will miss the World Cup finals. D is the eager villagers sat around the old lady who promised to foretell, FORETELL. Okay? The next is the sprinter. Sprinter means the one who's running the race. The sprinter misjudged the distance and lost the race. That is, the sprinter thought that, it can, that the race, when he's running the race, that only so many meters are left, so he may be slowed down. But he never realized that he had not judged properly. So misjudged the distance. Then the workers tried to untie the knot. Okay. Then the scientists disapproved of the plan. Next is the students misbehaved with the teacher in class. The passengers are about to deboard the flight. Mother is always dissatisfied with me since I don't study. Everybody's got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I hope all of you are understanding. Please, tell me if you don't understand. Why I'm not telling you all to read, because you all are taking a lot of time and we want to try to complete the lesson. Okay.
वाला
So last wala is dissatisfied. DISSATISFIED. Okay. All of you are written. Okay. Now we move on to this. Next, read these words. Okay. I want Keshwani to
Ma'am,
please read these.
Keshwani Fatima.
Keshwani Fatima, please read this.
Yes, ma'am. Boy, boyish, attractive, use,
Attractive. It is attractive.
attractive, then useless, arrive,
Useful. Useful and then you wise, wisdom, useless. Yeah. Come on, read. Hmm.
wise, wisdom, useless, arrive, arrival, image,
Arrival. It is not. It is arrival.
yes, arrival, imagine,
Imagine. Imaginary.
imaginary,
Ima-
greatness,
Yes.
development, creation.
Thank you, beta. You can mute your mic.
Can I read bullet, please?
Beta, wait first. Let me explain. So the highlighted words you see in the boy, the spelling at the back ISH is added. In attract, IVE is added. In use, FUL is used. In the use below, LESS is used. Wisdom, OM is used. Arrival, AL is used. So you see the imaginary ARY is used to add, and great, any SS is added to make greatness. Development, MENT is added. In creation, ION is added. Now listen, all of you, listen carefully. So now when these syllables are added at the back of the words, till now we did the prefix. What did we do? We did the prefix. Now what we are learning is suffix. What is it called? Suffix. Okay, so the highlighted words are suffixes. A suffix is a syllable or a word added at the end of the word to make another word. Okay, so as you know, in the prefix, it is added in front, okay, in the beginning, and in suffix, it is added at the end. But even when, see, the spellings also will slightly change. when you add the suffix. So while adding the suffix, you may need to remove the letters. For example, you can see the first is wise, W-I-S-E, wise. But when you want to change it to, if you make to add an to make another word, wise will become wisdom. Wise will become wisdom. So E will be removed. Remember, remember the spellings. Wise, wisdom. Now in arrival, arrive, E is removed and AL is added. So you have to be very careful with the suffixes and your spellings. So arrival is ARRIVAL. In that, arrive from arrive, E is removed and AL is added. Such changes should be remembered by using suffixes. So suffix, particularly suffix, you have to be very careful because the spellings change. Okay, and even the meanings also change.
Okay, ma'am.
For example, wise. Wise is, he's intelligent. But when you talk about wisdom, then wisdom means knowledge. Okay, they are the meaning slightly same only, but you have to use it in a different meaning. Okay, he's a wise man. Okay, but you can even say he is known for his wisdom in the whole country. So the meaning slightly changes. Then arrive. Now the guest will arrive at 5 o'clock. But here arrival is meaning slightly different. The arrival time of the train is 6 o'clock, or the arrival time of the plane is 9 o'clock. Okay, so this meaning slightly change, though it means the same. Now such changes should be remembered while we use a suffix. Here are some examples. I want one girl to read fast. One of you.
Can I read?
Ma'am, can I read Ma'am, can I Saima?
Saima,
Ma'am, can I read Bodi
Fatima,
Wala Mariam?
Body wala Mariam, do you get a chance? Fatima said,
Ma'am, I don't get the chance.
Beta, one second. Now only I want who's there? Keshwani.
Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Keshwani, one second. No, wait a second. You call out the name of the girl in the list.
Okay,
Which
ma'am.
Fatima? There are two Fatima.
So,
No, I didn't say Fatima Zahra. I said Fatima Keshwani.
okay, ma'am. The name is Kulsum Bhiman.
Kulsum Bhimani fast. Here are some examples. Read that.
Yes,
Kulsum,
ma'am.
start reading better. Mastery, come on. You don't know the page number?
Boy.
What you're doing? No. Down, better. Mastery. You're not paying attention. That means. Read fast. Shall I tell another girl or you're reading?
And I tell other girl,
Yes, please tell another girl's name.
Fatima Bahajat.
Yes, Fatima Bahaja. Please tell me. Read from Mastery.
Mastery, friend, friendship, writer, writing, sealer, backwards.
Yes. Now, master means a teacher, or it can be your somebody who teaches you something, or takes your whatever. Like you can say he's the master of the house, or owner of the house, or he's the master in English. He's the master of English. But here, mastery is slightly different. That is, he is very talented and he's got mastery over English language. So the meaning is slightly different. It is same but slightly different. Now, friendship. Now you say she's my friend, but when you talk about friendship, means it is a relation that you have with your friend. Okay, like our friendship is since so many years, so that is different. So and writer. So the teacher asked us to write an essay on my summer vacation. Now, writer is the author. So, who's the writer of this lesson? I will ask. And you say the writer of the author is Rabindranath Tagore. Anybody's name who is the author. Now, you can understand the difference in meaning. Bright, brighter. So, bright is again the sun is shining bright. Okay. Now, brighten is to lighten up, to brighten. So, for example, you can say that her smile and her laughter brightened the brightened the you can say the mood in the room. Like you came inside, you were laughing, and everybody was, seeing your brightened face. They were all very happy. Then sail, sailor. Sail is to go on a ship and sail. Okay, and sailor is the one who rides. You can say the sailor is the one who rides the ship. Like with the oars. Or with the machines nowadays. Okay, like they have a motor and it moves. So sailor is the one who moves the ship, and sail is to go on the sea and sail. Okay, back and backwards. Back means your teacher will say move back. Okay, or give it back to me. That is return. So it has 2 or 3 meanings. When I say please sit in the back, that means you have to go a few steps back and sit down. If I say please give back the book to me, don't give to anybody else. So you have to return the book to me. Here it means return. Now backwards means when your PT teacher tells you all of you move backwards or move forward. So the meaning slightly changes. Okay. And now Keshwani, Fatima, please read out the other girl's name fast.
Yes, ma'am.
जल्दी करो बेटा.
Gabrani Zainab Fatima.
Gabrani Zainab Fatima, fast. Page 87. Gabrani.
Yes, ma'am. Can I give?
Yes, please start reading. Yes, please. Sorry, I didn't change the screen that time, so maybe that girl was having a problem. Come on, read this. Come on, add suitable.
The sea was very dash, and
Beta,
so the
first read the question. Number 2.
question number 2. Add substantial
Suitable
suitable suffixes from the box to the words in brackets and fill in the blanks.
Read the words in the boxes. Read the syllables in the boxes.
Y or
ship
en.
Okay. Read the question.
The sea was very dash, and so the dash could not
go sailing. Now the first one I'll do for you. The sea was what, beta? Who's that?
Ma'am, Ruby ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
My name is कुरैशी फातिमा मैम. ये सब कुछ आपने जो लिखा है वो लिखने का है.
Yes, beta. I told you to. That's why I was reading out, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now the sea. Come on, continue, beta. You're reading now. Continue. Okay, I have to answer. Explain the answer. The sea was very storm. So, will you say the sea was very storm? You will say the sea was very stormy. You add a Y after that. The sea was very stormy. That is, the wind was blowing at a very fast. What, beta? Why are you interrupting, beta? So when there was heavy wind, and what will happen if the heavy wind is there? Then it'll move very fast, the winds and all. So the ship also will start moving. So it is also meaning storm. So the sea was very stormy. 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 Those who have not written the answer, please write the answer. Stormy. And so the sailor could not go sailing. So the bracket. Yes, beta.
Ma'am.
Yes.
सिर्फ आंसर लिखने के.
Yeah, in your if you don't have a textbook, you have to write in the fair book, everything, not only the answers. But if you have a textbook, you write in the textbook directly. Because if you write only stormy, then you will not understand when you revise, no? You will need to know the whole question.
रफ बुक में लिख सकते हैं सिर्फ आंसर.
Answers you write in the rough book, but in the fair book, if you don't have a textbook, I'm saying, if you don't have a textbook, then you have to write the whole sentence in your fair book. हाँ बेटा. What बेटा?
टेक्स्ट बुक
नहीं है ना, तो है कि नहीं है? You don't have. नहीं है ना, तो what you will do is I will send this IMAS PDF to you all in the group. Okay, so if you don't have, you see from there and write the answers. Okay, Answers I will not send. You have to do the
Okay, ma'am.
answers on your own. You have to write the answers. Yes, beta.
कौन सा चैप्टर है?
This is vocabulary first lesson, page 85. Word formation.
मिल गया.
Okay, but what were you doing all this while? इतनी देर क्या कर रहे थे बेटा?
मैं सब कुछ टिक कर रही हूँ.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, now the first answer is the sea was very stormy, and so the sail will become sailor, could not go sailing. Okay? Understood all of y'all? Yes or no?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, the second one, the boys dash in the painting competition was well deserved. Now Victor will become victory. It's victory. It's not victory. It's victory. 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 Okay. The government wishes to dash the road. Why it will become
Widen.
Biden? Correct. WIDEN. Because some of you have got the answers written. So widen means to make it broad. Okay. His staff admired him when he described his dash to them. Hardship. What? Hardship. Hardship means all the difficulties that he is facing. Now, number E. The dash bake.
Bacon.
Everybody will not say, not bacon, it is baker. The baker, BAKER, the baker and the painter are neighbors. The baker and the painter are neighbors. Baker, BAKER, and painter is PAINTER. Remember, the baker and the painter. Okay, the next one is to dash the load of the child. The mother carried some books. No, so what happened? The mother saw the child carrying a lot of books. So what? So to so to lighten the load of the child. Okay. The team won all the matches of the tournament under her dash leader. The team won all the matches. Leadership. Not leadership, it is leadership. SHIP, you have to add after leader. If the mixture is too hard, you will need to dash it. Soft will become
Soften.
I know someone is reading from the book only because the answers are written, but you should understand, okay? Now again, for everybody, I'm just calling out the answers of each one so that you don't have to ask me again. Okay, number A is stormy, and the second blank is sailor. SAILOR, sailor.